What happens when a small area of an industrial floor starts to break down? Stay with me and I'll explain it in 1 minute. At first, it might look like nothing more than a small chip in the concrete. But as forklifts continue to drive over it, that damaged area keeps losing material. Vibrations, uneven surfaces, and dust begin to appear. And the deterioration gets worse every day. And the longer the repair is delayed, the bigger the intervention eventually becomes. What many people don't realize is that these damaged areas are often the result of an earlier problem, a crack, repeated impacts, or progressive deterioration of the concrete that was never properly repaired. At BECOSAN, we don't pour a new concrete slab. Instead, we remove all the deteriorated material until we reach a sound and stable substrate. We then rebuild only the affected area using specific mortars designed for industrial floors, restoring the continuity and strength of the surface. It's not about hiding the damage, it's about restoring the functionality of the floor so it can continue to withstand industrial traffic safely. And when this repair forms part of a complete rehabilitation, we integrate it with the BECOSAN treatment, creating a stronger, dust-free floor prepared for many more years of industrial use. Because a repair carried out in time will always be simpler than an intervention once the damage has spread. If your floor has damaged areas or localized concrete loss, contact the BECOSAN technical team or visit the links in the description.